In this video I'm going to take a look at addition and subtraction of complex numbers. Suppose that I have two complex numbers, z1 equals to 3 plus 2i and z2 equals to 4 plus 6i. Because these are numbers, we can carry out exactly the same operations on those numbers as we would on any other types of numbers like real numbers, natural numbers or integers. So if I wanted to add complex number z1 plus z2, the resulting operation would look as follows. I'm going to, where I have z1, I would rewrite the actual elements of z1. So I would write 3 plus 2i, and for z2 I replace z2 with what goes into z2, which is plus 4 plus 6i. And if you recall from adding algebraic terms, I combine similar terms, and in this case similar terms are the real parts of the complex numbers and the imaginary parts of the complex numbers. So that will tell me that z1 plus z2 equals to 3 plus 4, which is 7, and plus 2i plus 6i, which is plus 8i. However, if I wanted to subtract those two numbers, if I wanted to subtract z2 minus z1, so I'm subtracting z1 from complex number z2. So z2 equals to 4 plus 6i minus, I'll open the bracket and put z1 in the bracket, 3 plus 2i. So this is an expansion of this notation. If I wanted to simplify this subtraction, I can rewrite 4 plus 6i. And then I note that because I have a minus in front of the bracket, terms inside of the bracket have to change sign. So minus 3 minus 2i. And then I can simplify by combining similar terms. So that would be 1 plus 6i minus 2i is 4i. And this is the result of an operation of z2 minus z1. So to add complex numbers, we add real parts together, and then we add imaginary parts together to form a resulting complex number. And to subtract complex numbers, simply we subtract real parts and imaginary parts separately. You have to be careful about the signs. What I mean is that if you have a minus, the bracket 3 minus 2i, when you expand it to get rid of the bracket, the result would be minus 3 plus 2i. Remember that minus in front of the bracket changes sign of the terms in the bracket. So that's it for this video. In the next video we're going to take a look at multiplication of complex numbers. Thank you for watching.